Alam mo ba for as low as 14,943 lang ang monthly equity nito, ay magkakaroon ka ng property dito sa General Trias, Cavite na two-story townhouse with spacious car garage, may space for living area, with dining area, with kitchen area. And of course, this property has 3 bedrooms. As your first bedroom, second bedroom, and third bedroom with toilet and bath. Interesado ka na ba sa maging future home mo dito sa General Trias, Cavite? Tara, i-house tour kita dito sa Lancaster, New City. Alam mo ba na di mo na kailangan lumayo dahil mismo sa loob nitong community ng subdivision nito ay mayroon ng transfer hub na point-to-point bus going to Manila or from Manila to subdivision in just around 30 minutes via Cavitex. Pagdating naman sa mga needs and wants nyo, andito na din sa loob ng subdivision like malls, supermarket, church, and school. Hi, I'm Manilyn Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House Realty. Magandang araw mga Dream House, another house tour naman tayo dito sa Lancaster, New City, which is located lang po dito sa Barangay Tapia, General Trias, Cavite. Sa araw na po ito, ipakilala ko pa sa inyo or ipakita ko pa sa inyo yung isa sa model unit nito na si Alice Model na meron po siyang lot area na 50 square meter while the floor area is 40 square meter. This property has 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and may space for car garage. And guys, una ko ipapakita sa inyo the actual turnover. Now, let's start the house tour, guys. So again, guys, this property, which is the Alice model, na meron po siyang lot area again na 50 square meter. Kung napapansin nyo, spacious yung car garage natin. And ang lapad ng natin, ng space around 5 meters. Then, haba naman around 10 meters. So again guys, the property line of this property, from the firewall here, firewall yan siya, ito hanggang dito, that's part of your property, around 5 meters. Then, yung haba naman natin is from dito, is your property line hanggang dito, sa dulo, mahaba po ito siya guys. So hanggang dito, part of your property around 10 meters. So see, sa car garage pa lang, very spacious, kasya dito, I think kasya dito 2 sasakyan. So now, check naman natin sa loob. So this actual turnover guys, so itong main door natin, made of steel, kaya bakal po siya, hindi siya basta-basta kakalawangin. Again guys, this is the actual turnover as a semi-complete. So, it means pag semi-complete turnover is walang pintura, but fully painted na po yung walls hanggang ceiling. And, meron na din po siya na partition ng mga rooms. So, again guys, actual turnover. So, this is a part of your first floor na meron na po siya provision for a space for living area, dining area, and dito sa first floor, meron na din po tayo ang isang kwarto po. So, again, this is your space here, and meron pa dito yung space dito as your first bedroom. So, first bedroom guys, fully painted na po yung walls hanggang ceiling. Smooth cement finish na po yung floor. And naka-ready na po yung mga outlets. And meron din po tayo dito na window as steel casement window. Now, check naman natin. By the way guys, yung door natin is a PVC type. And kung napapansin nyo, pagkapasok ng property mo is andito na agad yung kitchen with tiles na po yung countertop, with a steady sink and with faucet. And meron na din po tayong bintana and circuit breaker. Kung gusto nyo, ililipat nyo itong kitchen nyo, maybe doon sa first bedroom, gawin nyo po siya sa kitchen area para po lalawak pa yung space mo dito. Now, check naman natin going to second floor. But dito sa hagdan guys, ang kagandahan dito is buhos na pagkagawa and yung handrails natin is bakal na. And meron din pa tayong space dito for another purposes. Now, check naman natin or akyatin natin dito sa second floor. So, dito sa second floor, guys, meron na po tayo ditong dalawang kwarto and isang toilet and bath. So, again, this is the actual turnover. Okay, check naman natin yung second bedroom. So, this is second bedroom, guys. A semi-complete turnover, no tiles, fully painted na po yung walls hanggang ceiling. Naka-ready na po yung mga outlets. At of course, hindi po nawawala yung bintana natin na steel casement window. By the way, yung door natin dito is PVC type. Now, check naman natin yung second bedroom. So, yung second bedroom natin, guys, kung napapansin nyo, dalawang bintana na po meron dito. Then, naka-smooth 7 finish na yung floor. Fully painted na po yung walls hanggang ceiling and naka-ready na po yung mga outlets. Now, check naman natin yung toilet and bath. Now, dito katabi ng third bedroom, which is your maybe master bedroom, meron na po tayo dito common toilet and bath na complete accessories na po. Meron siya lavatory, water closet with flush type, shower, and naka-tiles na din po. Then at the rest, naka-fully painted na po siya. Now, napakita ko na sa inyo yung actual turnover dito sa Alice model dito sa Lancaster, New City. Now, ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung modern dress-up unit o para magkaroon kayo ng idea paano mo siya i-upgrade ng isang property once ma-turnover po sa inyo. Let's watch this video, guys. Hey guys, naipakita ko na sa inyo kanina yung actual turnover and ngayon pakita ko naman sa inyo modern dress-up unit para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano pagandahin yung property mo. Okay, again, this is the car garage. So, yung kanina, the actual turnover is level swide lang po siya pagka-deliver. Pero dito sa modern dress-up unit, nilagyan na nila ng tiles po. So, at least, diba, nagkakaroon kayo ng idea, nakasya-kasya dito at dalawang sasakyan. Now, dito naman sa main door, dito papasok sa property, pinalitan na nila yung kulay ng door natin. So again guys, this is the modern dress-up unit. So ito yung space for your living area. Now, di ba, kung napakaganda isa isang property pag nagkakaroon ng mga furnitures or appliances. And this area is your dining area. Now, let me show you then the kitchen area. So, nagkakaroon na siya ng upgraded, which is the cabinets. Yan, modular cabinets. So, pwede siya gayahin, guys, pag na-turn over sa inyo yung unit. And guys, now, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung paano din in-upgrade yung mga rooms natin dito. Now, pakita ko naman sa inyo dito sa first floor pa lang ay meron na tayong first bedroom. Okay? So, ito yun guys. So, see? Kung isa kang virtual assistant or any work from home, pwede mo siya gawing as a mini office. So, see? Or guest or entertainment area. Now, check naman natin the other rooms sa second floor. So, sa hagdan natin, pinalitan na din ng kulay ng footstep ng stairs po. So again, dito sa second floor guys, meron tayong dalawang kwarto na. And kagandahan dito guys, mag-avail dito ng property sa Lancaster, New City, semi-complete turnover na, may mga partition na po yung mga rooms. So yung mga rooms natin dito is buhos na po yung mga partitions, hindi. So ibig sabihin lifetime na po, hindi siya basta-basta kakaluwangin or mabubulok. So again guys, this is a modern dress-up unit. So this is the second bedroom. See? Kung may mga kids kayo, yan, swak na swak to sa inyo. Now, check naman natin yung third bedroom, which may be your master bedroom. So, yung mga bintana natin dito, guys, from the actual turnover na steel casement window, pinalitan na din nila ng sliding window. Now, check naman natin yung toilet and bath. So, sa toilet and bath natin, binago lang nila yung tiles, nilagyan nila ng mirror. See? Ang ganda. So, pwede nyo ito gayahin, guys, para magkaroon kayo ng ideas. And ang napakaganda nito, sobrang lapit lang po sa lahat. And guys, this is the model dress-up unit Now, ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung details competition para sa maging future home mo. Hey guys, please do a screenshot para may reference kayo for the details competition. And ang kagandahan dito guys, only 15,000 lang ang reservation fee with the monthly equity hanggang up to 30 months to pay. Kaya sobrang gaan and available din po to through Pag-ibig Financing. Kaya kung ikaw ay Pag-ibig member, grab this opportunity para sa maging future home mo. Okay guys, naipakita ko na sa inyo yung actual turnover, model rehab unit at the details competition of this property dito sa Lancaster, New City, na which is located again dito sa Barangay Tapia, Engineer Atias, Cavite. That this property has 3 bedrooms with spacious car garage and one toilet and bath. At naging interesado ka sa aking house tour vlog for today, i-message nyo lang po ako para may assist ko po kayo hanggang sa house tripping hanggang sa reservation. Again, I'm Maniling Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House CRP. See you soon! Thank you, Dream House!